feel a lot of pressure now. You know, figure it all out.
Yeah, it feels like everyone else seems to have it all figured out, but I'm still trying to understand my own feelings.
Navigating sexuality and relationship can be a confusing and sometimes overwhelming journey.
I've been questioning my own identity lately, and it's been really hard for me to talk about it.
Finding someone who accepts me for who I am, it feels impossible sometimes.
I worry about what other people will think about me if I'm not normal.
It's okay to feel confused, anxious, or even scared. You are not alone. Finding peace in different ways, like creating journals, can make worries away. You can find solace in nature's embrace, and even you can lean on support of a friend. Self-care works different for everyone, but the goal is the same: to nurture your mind and soul.
Talking to my therapist has really helped me. She created a safe space for me to explore my feelings.
Self care is the key for me. Spending time with nature really helps me to understand and reconnect with myself.
Joining a support group has been amazing. I've met a lot of people who understand what I'm going through.
Love comes in all shapes and sizes. There's no right or wrong way to experience it.
Let's break the stigma and build a world where everyone feels safe and supported in their journey of self discovery and love.